Hello friends, I'm Adifir. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Freely Tick. Friends, today I'm going to tell you about an office tool, which is a very good alternative to MS Office. Its name is LibreOffice. If you are tired of the yearly subscription of MS Office, or if you want to use Office software for free, then LibreOffice can be the best option for you. LibreOffice is completely free, for which you don't have to pay any yearly or monthly subscription. So let's learn about LibreOffice in detail. Before moving further in the video, I would like to make a small request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel Freely Tick yet, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of all the upcoming videos first. Now let's start the video. First, let's know, what is LibreOffice? LibreOffice is a free computer software, which we use for creating documents, creating Excel sheets, creating presentations, and for drawing or designing. The interface of LibreOffice is also quite similar to MS Office. Therefore, it is very easy to use. LibreOffice applications. The first application is LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is an alternative to MS Word. We use it for creating letters, resumes, projects, and notes. The formatting, images, and tables are exactly like MS Word. The next application is LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc is a spreadsheet application, which is an alternative to MS Excel. We use it for data entry, formulas and calculations, creating charts and tables. Next is LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress is an alternative to MS PowerPoint. We use it for creating presentations, adding slides, animations, and transitions. The next application is LibreOffice Draw. LibreOffice Draw is a drawing application, which is quite advanced compared to MS Paint. And at a basic level, it works like Canva, CorelDRAW, or Illustrator. It is used for creating posters, banners, diagrams, and flowcharts, and for simple graphic design. This tool is quite useful for beginners. Next is LibreOffice Base. LibreOffice Base is an alternative to MS Access. It is used for database management, student data, managing records and forms. And finally, LibreOffice Math. LibreOffice Math is an equation tool, which is used for mathematical formulas, creating science equations. It is quite useful for both students and teachers. So friends, this was a complete overview of LibreOffice. How did you like this video? Please let me know in the comments. And if you want detailed videos on each LibreOffice application, then let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.